Hi, this is Donna with the Happy Couponer Marketplace, and I know things have been kind of bumpy on the site lately, but we made a lot of changes over the past day and a half or 2 days or so, and one of the things that we added is really exciting. I wanted to tell you guys about it today. Hang on a sec. Okay, you now have the ability to create your own groups. Each vendor can create his own groups, and you can create however many groups you want to. Personally, I would only start with one group, but some of you guys might have like customers who only want to hear from you if you have Gerber baby food coupons. And like you might want to set up a special group for that segment of customers. But most of you, all your customers want to hear from you all the time. So I would start with one large group. But anyway, let me see if I can show you how this works. Okay, you guys, I invited all of the vendors to join a group that I set up for you, and you should see a little notification up here. Your customers also have the ability now to send you a direct email, and you'll see a notification up here. If you click on that, it will show you whatever notifications you have pending. Anyway, to set up a group, we're going to go over here. If you're using a profile picture, then it'll show up in this box here. If you're not, then it won't. To set up a group, first of all, you have to have friends before you can set up a group. So what I suggest is you friend all of your customers. Every time you get a new order, make that customer a friend. And here's how you make them a friend. First, there's a search bar up here at the top. If you click on this magnifying glass, it's not easy to see, but this is a search bar. I also put a search bar on your profile page, and I'm trying to get one into the footer. But this one up here at the top always works. You need to know the customer's email address or their username that they used when they created their account. Sometimes it will work with their first and last name if that's the username that they used. So I recommend that you always use their email address. I grabbed an email address off of a recent order, and look, there's his name. If you click on that, it will open up that user's profile, and you can click on this to send him a friend request. Once he accepts your friend request, then you can invite him to your group. And yes, I'm going to show you how to create a group. Let me show you how to use this with a username. One of our vendors, there's Sunny Savings. Click on that and you get her profile. I've already made her a friend, which is that little red dot. On the profile, you'll also see this little envelope where you can send your customer or the other vendor, whoever you're friending, you can send them a private message. All right, let's show you how to do groups. We'll go from the home page, since that's where everybody starts. Go over here to your profile picture or the blank spot if you don't have one up there, and go to your profile. Across the top, you'll see where you can go to your products and your orders if you're a vendor. If you are not a vendor, these two links do not show up, so customers do not see these. This is your list of friends and your list of groups that you have created. If you do not have any groups, you can create one, or you can create multiple groups. Down here, I've put this in recently viewed products just for the customer's benefits. If you scroll down here, here's that search bar I was talking about that I added. You can use this to search for members here also. This will show your 10 most recent friends that you've had interaction with. All right, to create a group, click on Create a Group, and then all you have to do is the details. Type in the name of your group. I highly recommend that you use the name of your shop. When vendors contact us, they always use your shop name. So, for example, you would want to be Save a Buck here, customer communication, or whatever. Give it a cute name if you want to. I don't care what you name it, but I highly recommend that you at least get your shop name in there. Then group description. Type in what's the purpose of this group, because the customer is going to click on that link first and they're going to see that they're invited to a group, and they're going to want to know why they should join it. So join my group and I'll let you know every time I add new coupons, or join my group and I'll let you know about good deals that I find, or coupon matchups, or we'll just talk about coupons, whatever. Put some kind of a group description in there that gives the customer a reason to join your group. I guess I better put something in here. Stuff goes here. Then scroll down and click create group and continue. Your settings. You probably want yours to be a public group so that anybody can join it. We will have links down here in the footer that will show all the available groups. Well, we have them right now. See, we just created Save a Buck here. Here's their group. So if you want anybody on the site to be able to join your group, make it public. Stay away from this hidden group. Personally, I would just go with public. That way, anybody that wants to join your group can. Give your group a good description so that anybody that reads it will want to join your group. Which members of the group are allowed to invite others? Do you want the members who do join your group, if you want them to be able to invite their friends along, then all group members. And yes, I would leave that there too. I mean, you can change it, but you want as many people joining your group as possible. Next step, and I know these buttons suck, but they're there. We'll fix it. We're working on it. Select people to invite from your friends list. You can select all of them. You can select one, whatever. Finish, and it automatically sends an invitation to those people so that they see a notification up here that they've been asked to join your group. Now remember, first you're going to have to make friends so that you can send invitations. Once they start seeing you're joining your group, then your group will appear down here in the footer. Your group will start showing up down here, and other customers who come to the site will see it. Plus, the friends who've already joined it will be able to invite friends. And pretty soon, you'll have your own big following right here on the website. And your little bell up here will have hundreds of notifications, customers who want to talk to you. All right, I think that covers everything. Personally, every spare minute you have, I would be plugging email addresses in there and sending friend requests to customers. If they don't want to be your friend, they won't accept it. Don't worry about it. Don't send multiple requests to the same customer. Don't keep bugging them. So keep track of who you have sent a friend request to so that you don't keep, let's not get annoying with this, because remember, we have like 36 or 39 vendors, something, I don't know. And I'm sure you're all going to be friending a lot of the same customers. So we don't want to beat them up too badly. But this is going to be awesome. I am so excited about this. Hang on a sec.
The happy couponers are awesome.
Okay, I keep pausing you guys because my grandson is homesick from school today, and he's standing here next to me watching me make this video because he wants to start recording video games and set up his own YouTube channel. So that was Connor. He's homesick. He says the happy couponers are awesome. Anyway, jump on this. Seriously, jump on it. In the next day or so, I will be sending you out information on how you can add a shop header and your shop logo, so you got something that shows up here. And that's it for today. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.